The different city and municipalities comprising the province of Maguindanao del Norte in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM region. The province of Maguindanao del Norte has the municipality of Dato Udinsinsuat as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM region. It is composed of 1 city, 12 municipalities, and 258 barangays. It was founded on September 17, 2022. The total land area is 3,988.82 kilometers squared or 1,540.09 square miles. The province of Maguindanao del Norte borders Cotabato Province to the east, Lanao del Sur to the north, Maguindanao del Sur to the southeast, and Sultan Kudarat to the south. Here are the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Maguindanao del Norte in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARMM region. We have the municipality of Barira with 14 barangays, municipality of Buldon with 15 barangays, the independent city Cotabato City with 37 barangays, municipality of Dato Blati Sinsuat with 13 barangays, the municipality of Dato Udinsinsuat, which serves as the provincial center or provincial capital with 34 barangays, the municipality of Kabuntalan with 17 barangays, municipality of Matanog with 8 barangays, and the municipality of Northern Kabuntalan with 11 barangays. We also have the municipality of Parang with 25 barangays, municipality of Sultan Kudarat with 39 barangays, municipality of Sultan Mastura with 13 barangays, municipality of Talitay with 9 barangays, and the municipality of Upi with 23 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Maguindanao del Norte in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or the BARMM region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.